Hi, I'm Cathy and welcome to my kitchen. It is Vlogmas day 18. Can you believe it already? Oh my gosh, are you having fun? I'm having fun. Doing all these different cookies has been really a lot of fun, and I hope you're trying some of them, and they are so delicious. Oh my goodness. I try to limit myself to 2 a day. So today is going to be another new recipe for me. I'm going to use a basic cookie dough, and I got some of this fig preserves. Okay, so see, there you go. And oh, these are good. If you like figs, these are yummy. And you can get them at any of the grocery stores. And I'm going to make thumbprint cookies, and I'm going to put the figs in them. And the nuts I'm going to use is pecans. So it's pecans and figs, and I'm going to call it my figgy Christmas cookie. So let's get baking. You want to make sure that your basic cookie dough is at room temperature so you can play with it. I always like to add another little bit of tablespoon of flour just to give it a little more body, because I'm also going to add in more vanilla extract. So here goes a tablespoon, maybe not quite a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And you're just gonna work it in. Make sure you get all that flour in there and just work the vanilla through the dough. And I have ground up some pecans, and let's see, I'm going to put in a 1/4 cup of finely chopped pecans in with the dough, and just mix that in. You want to make sure you incorporate the nuts all throughout the dough. And I just kind of break it apart so you can make sure you have nuts all throughout this dough. Yeah, so I think I have it nicely worked throughout. And what I'll do is get my baking sheet ready. Make sure you have the oven set at 375 degrees. You're going to roll these into little balls. Make an indentation with either your thumb. I like to use a teaspoon, like this one right here, because it's got a nice little rounded bottom, and I just press down on that to make the little indentations in the cookie to put the fig preserves in. So I'll be right back. So now all we do is we take a little bit of dough and we roll it around in little balls and put them on the sheet. Now that we have all the cookie dough balls nicely spread apart on the mat, I'm just going to take, like I said, this little teaspoon that has a rounded bottom, or you could use your fingers, and press an indentation. Now you'll see that it'll crack sometimes around the edges, and that is okay. I'm just going to press down. Some people like a little bit of a bigger cookie, so you can roll out a bigger ball of dough. Mine are kind of small because I like them bite sizes, because then you can have more than a couple of cookies. I'm going to pinch this one a little together because it's probably breaking up a little too much. I want to do that. Be good. And now what I'll do is I'll just take a spoon and put a little bit of the fig preserves and just spoon them right into the little indentation that you made. figgy pudding in my house. We're going to have figgy cookies. What is figgy pudding? To my British friends on YouTube, can you tell us in the comments below what figgy pudding is? I hear it in the Christmas songs. So bring us some figgy pudding, so bring us some figgy pudding. And I've always wondered what figgy pudding is. I'm sure it's good. Now we're gonna pop these in the oven for 15 minutes and then it'll be done. Ooh, these came out beautiful. All that big preserves on top. It smells yummy too. I don't think I'm going to sprinkle any sugar or anything on these. I think they're pretty just the way they are. What do you think? Okay, here's another batch of cookies. These are my figgy Christmas cookies. Using the basic cookie dough and putting big preserves in them. So, aren't they pretty? It's kind of hard to show you the tray here without tilting over all the cookies. All right, so let me try one. These are good. I haven't had a bad cookie yet. I mean, you really can't go wrong using the basic cookie dough and then adding just different things. I know this one was missing already. Hubby must have stopped in the kitchen. I just love the taste of the figs. It's so good. I hope you like this video and you give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and click on that little bell so you catch my next video. See you tomorrow. Bye.